Hello everyone. Here I am going to tell you about seed sowing activity. The intention is to utilize the seeds of different fruits and flowers instead of wasting them. To sow them and to get the green space in our surrounding. Seeds are absolutely amazing things. They are like tiny little powerhouse for the plants. The life cycle of the plant starts through the seeds only. Most of the plants are grown through the seeds. Here we collect the seeds of different native fruits, the fruits that are from our region, because these seeds get more adaptation in our weather condition, and according to the soil type they are suitable. So the seeds, when they are sown in the soil, they get all favorable conditions like proper temperature, sunlight, humidity, and good quality of soil. Then the seeds get germinated and they are converted into seedlings. When these seedlings are further nurtured properly by us, they are fertilized with the natural fertilizers. So they are converted into huge trees, and this way we are trying to increase the green zone in our surrounding. In this activity we involve children also, because they also enjoy the process of seed germination and photosynthesis by the plants. We go in the group for the plantation during the monsoon season, and sometimes we exchange the seedlings and seeds also, so that the interested person can nurture them and they can also increase the green space in their surrounding. And these type of trees are very much helpful for the ecosystem, because they provide lot of food and shelter to the birds and insects. So this way we can protect the biodiversity, and the roots of fruit bearing trees are quite deep inside the soil, so they absorb a lot of rainwater, so the water level also increases. There are many other benefits also, like they are useful during the natural calamities like flood, drought, soil erosion also. So they are helpful for protecting the soil. So these are the advantages of doing this activity, and apart from all these we enjoy also, because when we see the growth of plants each morning, we are full of excitement. It's my hobby to collect the seeds of different fruits, and then I saw them in this type of containers. These are the seeds of chiku, jamun, lemon and melon, custard apple, papaya, and mango. These are the papaya plants on my terrace. These are very useful. The leaves can be useful for increasing the blood platelets also during the diseases. And when these plants will develop more, I am going to replant them in some open ground so that they can become huge trees. This is a plant of jamun, the Indian blueberry. I had sown the seeds before 3 years back, and now you can see the growth. This is also jamun. This is a plant of custard apple, and this is also the tree of custard apple. We had sown the seeds before 3 years back.